The world of finance. It's exciting, isn't it? The ups, the downs, the promise of fortunes made. It pulls you in, this whirlwind of numbers and trends. But hold on a second. Before you dive head first, let's talk about the secret weapon. It's not about being the loudest or the fastest. It's about having a steady hand. It's about patience. In the market, patience isn't just a virtue, it's your superpower. It allows you to see clearly, to make smart choices, to weather the storms. So take a deep breath. Let's find your footing in this exciting, sometimes crazy world. Let's learn how to make patience work for you. The market is a noisy place. Experts everywhere, all shouting, all predicting. It's easy to get swept up in the frenzy, to make impulsive decisions based on the latest buzz. But the truth is, the most important voice is the quietest one, the one that speaks to your logic, to your long-term goals. Imagine this, you're at a crowded party, music's blaring, everyone's talking over each other. Then someone catches your eye across the room. They whisper your name. Suddenly the noise fades away. You're focused. That's patience in the market. It's about tuning out the distractions and listening to your own inner wisdom. It's about trusting your gut, your research, your plan. Let's talk legends. Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, the kings of the long game. Their secret? Patience. They didn't get rich quick, they got rich by being incredibly patient. Buffett famously said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient," and he's right. They wait for the right opportunities, the undervalued companies, the moments when others are fearful. Think of it like a game of chess. The impatient player makes rash moves, sacrificing long-term strategy for a quick win. The patient player, however, thinks ahead, strategizes, waits for the perfect moment to strike. Investing is like planting a garden. You carefully choose your seeds, you nurture them, you give them time to grow. You don't expect to see a forest overnight. You understand that growth takes time. The same goes for your investments. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Focus on your long-term goals. Stay the course. Just like a gardener patiently tends to their plants, you need to nurture your investments. Remember, you're not just buying stocks, you're investing in companies, in ideas, in the future. And the future, my friend, takes time to unfold. Section 5. The elusive dip, recognizing opportunity. In the world of investing, recognizing opportunity is a skill that can set you apart from the rest. It's about seeing what others don't, and acting when others won't. The market is like a roller coaster. It has its thrilling highs and its stomach-churning lows. Just like a roller coaster, the market can be unpredictable and sometimes even scary. There will be ups, there will be downs. The highs can be exhilarating, making you feel on top of the world. But the lows can be daunting, making you question your decisions. The key is not to panic during the dips. Staying calm and composed is crucial. It's during these times that your true potential as an investor is tested. In fact, the dips can be your biggest opportunities. When prices drop, it's like a clearance sale in the market. This is when you can find the best deals. When the market dips, fear takes over. People sell, prices drop, the atmosphere is filled with uncertainty and doubt. But this is when the savvy investor steps in. They see beyond the fear and recognize the potential for future gains. They see the dip not as a disaster but as a discount. Just like a savvy shopper waits for a sale to buy their favorite items at a lower price. They buy when others are fearful, and they reap the rewards later. Their patience and foresight pay off as the market recovers and their investments grow. Think of it like shopping for your favorite clothes. You wouldn't rush to buy them at full price, would you? You'd wait for the perfect moment. You wouldn't buy them at full price, would you? You'd wait for a sale. The same principle applies to investing. You'd wait for a sale. You'd keep an eye on the prices, waiting for the right moment to make your move. The market dip is your sale. It's the perfect opportunity to buy valuable stocks at a lower price. Be ready, be patient, and grab those bargains. With the right mindset and strategy, you can turn market dips into your greatest opportunities for success. Section 6. Riding the waves, weathering the storms. The market is like the ocean. It can be calm and peaceful one day and stormy the next. The key is to learn how to ride the waves, to weather the storms without capsizing. When the market gets turbulent, it's tempting to make emotional decisions, to sell everything and run for cover. But remember, panic is never a good investment strategy. This is where patience comes to the rescue again. It allows you to stay calm, to ride out the storm, knowing that calmer waters are ahead. Remember, even the fiercest storms eventually pass. Section 7. The compound effect, small gains, big rewards. The magic of compounding is a powerful force in the world of finance. It can turn modest investments into substantial wealth over time. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more and more snow as it goes. The longer it rolls, the larger it becomes, picking up momentum and size. In investing, compounding means your returns earn returns, and so on. This cycle of growth can lead to exponential increases in your investment portfolio. Over time, even small gains can turn into something substantial. Imagine planting a seed and watching it grow into a towering tree. Each small gain is like a drop of water nurturing that seed. Patience is the key ingredient in this magical formula. Just as a tree doesn't grow overnight, your investments need time to mature and flourish. The longer you stay invested, the more time your money has to compound, to grow exponentially. Time is your greatest ally in the world of investing. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich slowly, but surely. Like the tortoise in the famous fable, slow and steady wins the race. Imagine a single penny, doubling in value every day. It may seem insignificant at first, but the results are astonishing. After a month, you'd have over $5 million. This example illustrates the incredible potential of compounding when given enough time. That's the power of compounding. It's a strategy that has been used by some of the most successful investors in history. Start early, stay patient, and let the magic work its wonders. The earlier you begin, the more time you have to benefit from the compound effect. Your future self will thank you for the wise decisions you make today. Section 8. Patience and the fear factor. Trusting your strategy. Fear and greed. The two emotions that can derail even the most promising investment journey. Fear makes you sell at the worst possible time. Greed makes you buy at inflated prices. Patience is the antidote. When you're patient, you make decisions based on logic, not fear. You stick to your plan, even when your emotions are screaming at you to do otherwise. You trust in your research, in your strategy, in the long-term vision you've set for yourself. Remember, the market is driven by emotions, but your success shouldn't be. Let patience be your guiding light, your shield against fear and greed. Section 9. A mindful market, finding your Zen zone. In the fast-paced world of investing, finding your Zen zone is not just a luxury, but a necessity. It's about creating a mental space where you can think clearly and make decisions that are not driven by stress or anxiety. The market can be a stressful place. The constant noise, the rapid movements, and the pressure to perform can be overwhelming. It's easy to get caught up in the frenzy and lose sight of your long-term goals. The constant ups and downs, the pressure to make the right moves, it can take a toll. The emotional roller coaster can lead to burnout, poor decision-making, and even financial losses. It's crucial to recognize these stressors and find ways to manage them effectively. That's why it's essential to approach investing with a sense of mindfulness, a sense of calm. Mindfulness allows you to stay present, to focus on the here and now, rather than getting lost in the what-ifs and maybes of the market. Take time to disconnect from the noise. Step away from the screens, the charts, and the constant updates. Allow yourself to breathe, to reconnect with nature, and to find peace in the simplicity of a walk in the park. Go for a walk in nature, meditate, practice yoga, or simply sit in silence. These activities can help you reset, recharge, and return to the market with a fresh perspective. Spend time with loved ones. The support and joy that come from being with family and friends can provide a much-needed balance to the stress of the market. It reminds you of what truly matters and helps you maintain a healthy work-life balance. Remember, your mental well-being is just as important as your financial well-being. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Taking care of your mind and body ensures that you are in the best possible state to make sound financial decisions. When you approach the market with a calm and centered mind, you make better decisions. You're able to think more clearly, to analyze situations more objectively, and to act with confidence rather than fear. You're less reactive, more strategic. Instead of being swayed by the market's volatility, you can stick to your plan and make decisions that align with your long-term goals. You're able to see the bigger picture, to stay focused on your long-term goals. This perspective allows you to navigate the market's ups and downs with greater ease and resilience. So, take a deep breath, find your Zen zone, and approach the market with the patience and calmness it deserves. Embrace the power of mindfulness and let it guide you to make better, more informed decisions. Your future self will thank you for it. By cultivating a mindful approach to investing, you not only improve your financial outcomes but also enhance your overall quality of life. So, start today, find your Zen zone, and invest with a calm and focused mind.